The control arms we're gonna be using today is gonna be Voodoo 13. See that? Looking real nice. I actually bought these used off of OfferUp. You can see like little wear and tear. Same exact size right here. This one too, but bearings was good. So I got it actually for a steal. Right now I'm just waiting on a couple of homies to slide through. And we're gonna knock it out real quick. So let's get to that. All right. Getting straight to it. Damn, really tags. Fonto's not even here yet. Oh my god. What the fuck, bitch? I didn't even open the gate. What are you doing? What are you? So, first we gotta zap off the wheels.
I'm gonna sit like truth people. Truth people. Hey, your house does smell like turkey though. It does smell like turkey. Like head sweat and knee straps. Knee straps. Knee straps. It's like the fifth time I've done it at work. You're like, yeah, only when it catches me off guard.
Shit all fucked up. Bro, look, you can see where I fucking didn't move that shit.
It'll come straight out.
Fuck it.
No.
Just kidding, yes.
The upper control arm.
Yes.
So he's gonna jack it just to support it. So
Yes. Goes in smoothly and comes out smoothly.
Oh.
Hobgoblin.
Bobby Lee.
Is that Charles Lee?
You wanna lift it up a little
God, bruh. What are you doing, dog?
Tetanitis. Oh.
Okay.
I do. Oh shit. Yeah. See, that's what it's going out.
Now what?
What is this, my sensor?
Oh yeah. That's your water pump.
That's your water pump.
Just push the fucking brake. How not to switch upper control arm?
How not to switch upper control arm? Alright, that's cool. That's good, I think.
Hey, go, boy.
Wait, you just gotta spit on it, but sometimes it comes off.
Easy does it. It says Luna. Sure, easy does it. Easy does it. Snap on, snap on.
You ever catch any weird stuff on that ring camera?
Yeah.
Stuff in your city?
Like the
Like this stuff, but let's fit the pin off that.
There's a method that rides around with like LEDs on his bike, blasting music, yelling at people.
What?
It's always at like 10.
It sounds like my dad. Just minus the light, you know?
Minus the bed.
The LED lights in the bike. Righty tighty. I don't know if I'm going left or right.
Look at it.
I gotta look at it from the perspective
This way.
of the bolt, you know?
Yeah.
I can't believe True's not prepared for this, man.
Very unprepared.
Fucking guy. I get here and he's fucking butt naked. And Louis just sitting on his couch, smelling the Chucky fumes. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's not gross, right? Made me take my shoes off.
True, me too. What the fuck?
I got fucking holes in my socks. I don't want to take my shoes off, man. And his phone dies. Then he got a camera. Fucking unprofessional, man.
Jesus is a better YouTuber?
Nah, yeah, for sure. TikToker mostly. Alright. That's the first one right there, boys. So, yeah, looks pretty good. Look at the difference.
Confirmed.
Yeah. The difference right here. What are these made out of? Titanium or what? They're definitely a lot lighter. Definitely a lot lighter. Stronger. That's what you want. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, that shit's in there.
Yeah. Hey,
Hold on. Hold on, I'm really trying to.
you're being recorded as well. Yeah.
Fix it.
Can't really drive. I don't know what's up with him.
He hit a pothole. Hey.
You're not supposed to drive, dog.
Chill.
Loser. We're trying to figure out whether or not we want to do the springs, cause True don't got the right tools right now, dog. But we might be able to make it work with a couple mop sticks, maybe. Mop stick and a screwdriver, flathead or something. But this motherfucker doesn't have no tools, dog. Cause don't got no tools, dog.
I ain't got nothing with reach, bro.
Let me see the tool set.
Tool set?
Let me see the tool set, dog.
Nothing here, bro. Who got?
You got a hammer over here. You got a hammer and a couple screwdrivers that Grandpa gave you. Fucking World War I and shit.
Should I use this stick right here?
The stick? Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Well, you need to be able to pry it. So.
Yeah, you're gonna need a good edge. Probably under it. Nah, fuck it. We don't got none of the tools, dog. What?
Get the shotgun?
Bro, we should just stick to the original install. We're gonna end up being here for hours. Let's just stick to the original install.
Let's stick to the original install. Because he has a tattoo to go to.
Okay, yeah, you gotta go get it.
You're paying me by the minute right now, bro.
I'm gonna get a control arm.
Where?
You're gonna get a control.
He said he's gonna get a money bag on his neck.
Well, I'm probably gonna get a money sign swing. I'm gonna get a money sign swing.
Yo, bro, chill, bro. We're gonna get
My
hate.
favorite rapper, dog.
Oh shit.
You might get hate. That's my favorite rapper, bro.
Name one song right now.
Back to the bag. Ah! That's the only good one. Veteran.
Yeah. I'm
We're
gonna
gonna
try
try to
to
get it to the same length.
Yeah, get the same length. Eyeball it. Drop it. Nah, it seems
Eyeballing. But he's Asian, so we might have to help him.
Yo, for real.
He's not one of the Asians with the tinted glasses, bro. So at least, there's that at least, you know? Yeah, let me see a little bit.
Yeah. I mean, shit, it's like a fucking at least
Oh,
something.
dog, that is good, bro.
So this right here is just to fill in this gap, because when you do it like that, now it's the same
Yeah,
width.
yeah.
So I guess we just slap it on now.
There's nothing that locks it in right here.
Oh shit, yeah, you know what? You're right. What the fuck do I lock it in?
It looks.
I don't know what's up, bro, but my balls have been itching all day, man. I should... Ready.
Wait, what came
Oh,
out?
look, he had a sewage one.
I got a.
Oh, boy, Louis. God damn, bitch.
My bad. Give me the fucking screws, dumbass.
Mexican, dude.
Damn big ass bitch.
So basically, right now we're just mocking it up and everything. Got my boy Louis tying in that shit down. It's looking good though.
Yeah,
and like
good.
fucking dinged it right here. Asshole.
Dirty worker.
Oh, wait, let me put the other one. What other one? The little collar? Yeah, that gives it a little bit.
Down under. Am I in the right hole?
Yeah, because this one doesn't want to go in.
Huh?
I think you're in the right direction.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
No, I just unzap the other one.
Look my life. Still been sleeping.
I have a 10-inch extension.
Give me the fucking extension.
The whole time.
Here.
Zap it in. I'm putting it in for you. Pause. Zap it.
This one? It goes good. It's gonna swing up, yeah. You hear it? Oh,
All the way in. You're all the way in.
Oh, okay.
Wait, stop. Push this one in. It's kind of gay. Hey, Louis, you look pretty skinny from this angle.
Hey,
fell died.
Completed it, dog. So that's
Why
the
does
first
it look
side.
like that, though?
Looks like what? This is a little crooked, right? Like,
Yeah.
okay, is it just me or is it
Let me find out you guys installed it upside down.
Nah. The other side was like that.
Let me find out you guys installed it upside down, bro. Let me find out you guys installed it upside down, dog.
Is that angle normal? I mean, it probably is normal, but
Yeah, the other side's like that.
I feel like you guys installed it upside down,
my
buddy.
blood sugar is low.
Alright.
Can I see your thing? I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial.
Alright, biggest bro, hurry up.
Anthony?
We got one ashy knee and one not ashy knee. Alright, tell y'all.
I thought it was a fucking accident. This is an ugly ass room.
Sick ass tire.
I actually really like the Honda rims. I'm not gonna lie.
He said an hour. If you do it under 10 minutes, I'll beat the fuck out of you.
What the fuck? Can we do it under 10 minutes? Oh wait, no, I can't do that one.
Now you're putting your work. Now you're gonna regular stock is done. I got a regular for you.
One quick look how it looks stock. And then we'll go to the other side, show you how it looks installed.
Oh, and fucking what's up? Oh, fuck up, dude. Fuck no. Rari. Yo, why you get shy, bitch? Yo. We gonna get in trouble. I might have to believe that whole shit out.
Yeah, the spider is.
Yeah.
Ah, ya Corolla? Ada Corolla, hombre? Biggest bro! Biggest bro! Hey, big bro. It's hard to get from this angle, eh? Snaps? Oh, I'll be sick. I get you, man.
Ni hao. Ni hao, Sensei Daniel-san Kawasaki.
Both of them installed, man. It was good. Stay tuned for the next one when we're gonna attack the springs.
Look good.
Wasn't too hard, pretty easy. How would you rate that install? What would y'all rate that shit?
I would say it's pretty easy install, but we made it hard.
Yeah. We like it hard.
Tools maybe next time.
Yeah. I do have two of them. Oh, what you talking about?
I know, huh? Yeah, next time.
Go put it in.
Pause.
He's stuck with
All he did was hear her name. He started tweaking. So heard his girl. He was like,
Are you tweaking, bro?
scratched everything.
Tutorial or like a funny tutorial?
Yeah, funny tutorial.
That's what I was aiming for.
That right there, that's hard work right there.
That's hard work and it's like normal sweaty shit, you know?
Yeah.
Stinky Mexican shit kind
Get the fuck out of the room.
Scratch them.
Let's take my gloves off.
Oh, it's getting serious.
He's going in raw.
Raw, boy. She was raw, and that's it.
This fool smacked the fuck out of your
Look how
car.
it is. Look how it is.
Hell yeah.
Alright, gangers. Fuck with you, dog.
All right, bro. Appreciate it
Till
again,
next
man. Till next time, buddy.
Lowering Springs or
Lowering Springs.
Till next
Or,
install.
or if y'all need some help, I'm there.
till next install.
Yeah, bro. Say bye, Louis.
Later, boys.
Later.